Welcome back to Kasaki Real Estate's second YouTube episode. This time we're back again with Bhumi and Sam. We went through their struggles, their journey, and how they shaped Kasaki Real Estate, which is a thriving real estate agency in Dubai. This time we're going to talk to them again, but about the real estate market. Welcome, Bhumi and Sam.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
Nikhil.
so much, Nikhil.
So, the last time it was a hit, we posted a lot of snippets on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, even LinkedIn. I got a lot of DMs. लोग पूछ रहे थे कि तू कहाँ से मिला इनको क्योंकि उन्हें लगता था कि लोग यहाँ पर आते हैं 10-10 15-15 साल स्ट्रगल करते हैं एंड वो लोग एजेंट्स ही बने रह जाते हैं क्योंकि हिम्मत गट्स रिस्क लेना ये सब लोगों में कॉमन नहीं है सो पीपल अवॉइड दैट दे वांट दैट सेफ्टी एंड दे फील कि इट इज़ बेटर कि हम किसी को रिपोर्ट कर ले एटलीस्ट हमारा इनकम एक गारंटी मिलती है कि गाइडेंस है मेंटोरशिप है so people were asking me on DMs, Instagram DMs mainly, to ask you guys about the market this time. Now people know you, they want to understand about what you think of the market. Market abhi pata nahi all time high hai ya very high hai. I think you guys can tell me that better because you guys have all the data. But just to understand, what is your opinion about the future? Say for the next 24 months, what do you guys think? Is the market going to remain like that high? Ki rents are high, prices are so high because a lot of investors in Dubai are fearing that एक time ऐसा आ जाएगा that it will be impossible for them to afford it. So, because people are asking so much, Sam, I would like to ask you if you could just give me a few points, like an insight about what you think of the market now.
So, Nikhil, what is happening is market right now is at peak. You said right. I won't call it peak actually. It's a state of real estate where the prices are increasing every year, right?
Hmm.
So, if you look at the previous year's data as well, the prices are increasing like anything.
Yeah.
From downtown, if you talk about till Emirates Road and expanding towards Alin Road as well,
Hmm.
the prices have gone more than double. And in next
Okay.
2 years, even I hear the same, comments from so many people कि यार अब तो ये बलून तो नहीं है जो बस्ट हो जाएगा,
Yes.
राइट?
Huh.
तो इवेंचुअली ये बलून है ही नहीं.
Hmm.
आई थिंक हम लोगों की डिस्कशन इस बारे में लास्ट टाइम हुई थी दैट Dubai real estate market is not a very old real estate market and it's fairly new. I mean 22 years old real estate market. तो अभी जो फैक्टर्स कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं रियल एस्टेट को फॉर एनी कंट्री एनी सिटी योर इकोनॉमिकल फैक्टर्स आर देयर व्हिच कंट्रीब्यूट्स टू रियल एस्टेट सक्सेस. फॉर एग्जांपल, if you know about the vision of leadership of Dubai, right?
Yes.
They have plan ready for 2030, right? They
Ji.
have plan for 2040.
Hmm.
uh, in fact 2071 also, which is
Okay.
100-year plan. So if you know about UAE National Day, which
Huh.
was named recently as Eid al-Adha,
Huh. Huh. Huh.
so 1971 was when the UAE
It was formed.
was formed, right?
Yeah.
So there is a plan for 2071 also in place. So we
Okay.
are staying in a city where everything gets planned years before,
And they actually execute it.
and they execute,
Hmm.
and very well they execute.
Hmm.
Uh, Before I go to the prices, I'll tell you very quick thing.
Ji.
Recently, if you would have seen in the news, Khalees news, that there is a approval to make 5 bridges over World Trade Center to
Okay.
commute easily, because जब भी वहाँ पे exhibitions होती हैं, there's so much of
हाँ.
traffic around.
मैं रोज
तो
वो ट्रैफिक में फंसता हूँ.
yes, me also, right?
हाँ.
But given that
Hmm.
वो अनाउंस हुए बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ, and the
अच्छा.
construction is already started.
हाँ, ट्रेड
So
सेंटर
work is
राउंड अबाउट
already
पे तो चल
started,
रहा है.
right?
हाँ.
So this is you call a very fast, decisions and
Hmm.
fast execution also.
Correct.
So we are staying in a city where everything gets executed really fast.
Hmm.
Now, if you talk about the plans, what government has in future for Dubai, recently also, I don't know whether you read the news or not. Uh, Top 10 cities across world in
Hmm.
terms of safety, top 5 are from UAE. And number one is Abu Dhabi, number two is Dubai. Right?
Wow, in the
And
world, huh?
Ajman is also part of that list. Entire world I'm talking about, top 10 cities. So five are from UAE.
Hmm.
So in this place, the economical factors actually make sure that your asset value increases.
Yeah.
आप रियल एस्टेट में पैसे डाल रहे हो या इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, वट एवर पर्पज यू हैव, यू मस्ट बी एंड यूजर, यू मस्ट बी अ इन्वेस्टर, वट एवर यू डू, द क्वेश्चन इज कि अभी अगले 2 साल क्या होगा. सो
हाँ.
लेट्स कम बैक टू द बलून थिंग, कि लोगों को लग रहा है कि यार ये ऐसा तो नहीं है कि ये टेम्परेरी है और फिर अचानक से बर्स्ट हो जाएगा.
Hmm.
सो वो उसका बहुत सिंपल लॉजिक है. And we always talk about numbers, right?
जी.
And I will not give you any anything without any logical numbers with it.
Correct.
If you look at the plan what government has and what government did in last few years,
Hmm.
let's say Al Maktoum International Airport
जी.
getting built soon,
Hmm.
right? The delivery is around 2030,
हाँ.
right? So the moment it was announced, if you look at the Emirates Road, वहाँ के prices अचानक से बढ़े.
Hmm.
And prices are not only because of that. There are so many other factors. Why I told you that it's safest city in across 10 cities across the world.
Hmm.
People are very keen to move to Dubai.
Yeah.
The population is increasing.
Yeah.
One of the agenda of government is to increase the population
हाँ.
by 3.6. 3.6 is already there.
अभी 3.8 हो गया था.
3.8 हो गया है, right?
But they are, I think the agenda is 4.5 by 2030.
30.
About 5 million.
Yes,
Yeah,
about 5 million.
Yes.
So,
About 5.
and it's already happening,
Yeah.
If you look at the golden visa issuance last year,
Hmm.
the number will be amazed.
Yes.
People who are visiting Dubai, Dubai Mall is world's, not even world's, Earth, the only place on
Earth's,
Earth which was most visited on entire
in
Earth in
2023.
2024.
Ah,
2023
2024.
also and
Okay.
2024 also.
अच्छा.
2023 it was 105 million visitors
Yeah.
on Dubai Mall, and 2024 was 110, I guess.
Okay.
So the fact is that the population is actually increasing,
Hmm.
and it's completely demand supply. See, the more people will come here, they will need home to stay.
हाँ.
Where they would stay. And not everyone can afford downtown.
Correct.
Not everyone can afford Business Bay, right?
True.
They need to have a place for them.
Correct.
So prices, what are there in the market right now, are not high price.
Hmm.
Is the actual, the price of today's market. And if you don't buy it today, tomorrow you won't be able to afford it.
It's gonna go high.
It will go high.
Hmm.
So anyone who says there'll be a correction is always required where, it's actually inflated. Then you may think that, okay, this tend to correct the prices. But right now in the market, correction is not required at all.
And there is data to back it up.
Yes, of
कि
course.
इतने टूरिस्ट आ रहे हैं. एंड
Hmm.
मैंने पढ़ा था न्यूज़ में दैट मैंने 2023 का पढ़ा था. 24
इवन
का.
हम अभी भी बात करते हैं
जी.
तो जो डेवलपर्स है जो आज की डेट में प्रोजेक्ट्स लॉन्च कर रहे हैं,
हम्म.
मार्केट में ये लोग कह रहे हैं कि हाँ मार्केट में करेक्शन आएगी, बहुत सारी चीज़ें चल रही है ऐसी. बट जो हम बात करें जो प्रोजेक्ट्स लॉन्च हो रहे वो आज की रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो रहे.
हम्म.
ये प्रोजेक्ट जो लॉन्च हो रहे हैं वो 29 टू 2032 की रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से लॉन्च हो रहे हैं कि
करेक्ट.
तब क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स होगी उसके अकॉर्डिंग ये डेवलपर्स जो प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च कर रहे हैं और वो सारे प्रोजेक्ट सोल्ड आउट हो रहे हैं.
वो हैंड ओवर तब होंगे.
हाँ जी.
So eventually, most of the projects are going to get handover, the biggest communities,
Yeah.
from 2027,
हम्म.
right? So if you look at Emirates Road from 2027, all the handovers will start happening. Every community, let's say there are 10 communities which got recently, announced
over.
or not handed over, launched.
Okay.
So sold out also.
Launched and completely sold out.
In last 1 or 2 years,
Yeah.
all on Emirates Road, starting Villanova
Hmm.
until, let's say, Dubai South or MR South for that matter.
हाँ. हाँ.
Up till airport.
Let's say up
Acha.
till airport.
Okay.
Now, one side is already launched, sold out. One side towards Villanova, right?
Huh.
Opposite side is also started now. The Mac Island was launched recently, opposite side. Along with that, Heights and Wellness of MR, which was supposed to be launched 7 months back, but due to some reasons it's delayed, but it'll also be launched. So that place is also getting captured where if you know about Town Square, Town Square is there. On the back side, opposite side Oasis, Mira Oasis is there.
Yeah.
Apart from that, Cherry Woods is there. On the back, the Mac Sun City launched. It was sold out.
It was sold out.
And then the Mac Island, and Island, we still have some units coming soon.
Yeah.
So that entire area will get handover from 27, 28, 29, all these 3 years.
Okay.
And the population obviously is tend to increase more. Then people will need homes.
तो उसकी प्लानिंग करके लोग अभी निकाल रहे और
That's
बिकता
how
जा
it
रहा है
works. So
इससे।
tomorrow, after 5 years, if government has some plans,
Hmm.
so they will need to meet the need of the homes also.
Correct.
And all
Absolutely.
the policies go in line with government policies, right? And
Yeah.
government, the plans for future.
Yeah. मैं वही कह रहा था that I read this report that in 2023, 24 का शायद अभी तक आया नहीं है या मुझे मिला नहीं है. 17.1 million tourists stayed here for at least one night. And 2023 में there were 150,000 hotel rooms. भी 17 मिलियन कहा, 1.5 लाख कहा. तो वो एक आर्टिकल था शायद या कोई ब्लॉग पोस्ट था, मुझे याद नहीं है, लेकिन इट वाज अबाउट बीएनबी.
सो इसी वजह से तो एयरबीएनबी बिजनेस जो पूरे डाउनटाउन में अभी चल रहा है, हम डाउनटाउन की बात करें या सिटी वॉक की बात करें, वो मोस्टली जो हमारा डाउनटाउन एरिया जो हम कह सकते हैं कि डाउनटाउन है, सिटी वॉक है, बिजनेस भी है, वहाँ हर जगह एयरबीएनबी बिजनेस इसी वजह से आज की डेट में पीक में है. बिकॉज होटल अपार्टमेंट्स आर वेरी लेस
लिमिटेड हो जाते हैं.
और फुटफॉल बहुत ज़्यादा है.
हाँ बिल्कुल, बिकॉज
In fact, the number of transaction, if you see in last year, crossed 700 billion in the
या
in property,
यस
real estate I'm talking about, right? And anticipation obviously is that the number will keep on increasing. It will not come down at all.
So the data that you were saying, because of the airport, it's bound to increase.
I'm saying not airport, it's world's biggest airport,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
And with 400 gates to it, 5 runways,
Yeah.
and will handle millions of visitors every day.
Yeah.
The travelers.
260 million passengers का है expectation.
Correct.
हाँ.
और अगर मैं बोलता हूँ यार 50 भी आ जाए बहुत है, कहाँ रहेंगे, जगह ही नहीं है. 50 मिलियन लोगों की रहने की जगह नहीं है, इसलिए प्रॉपर्टी इतनी तेजी से बिक रही है. I also wanted to talk to you about the roadshow that you did in Ludhiana just a few days back. So people who came to visit you, I saw those videos that you shared on Instagram and everything. A lot of people were there. I know that people in India specifically have a lot of interest in Dubai because of 3-3.5 घंटे का रास्ता है.
It's not
Emergency.
only India, Nikhil.
नहीं
From all
Across,
over world.
across the
entire
world.
world has interest in Dubai.
Yes, across the world. No, specifically India, because of Ludhiana, I was talking about, because I saw the number of people who attended. It was good to see that you guys were busy all the time, attend करने में लोगों को phones पे. So I actually wanted to ask you both, were they looking to buy, to move here or to rent out?
Both.
Both. Because यहाँ पे ROI बहुत अच्छा है. So I've noticed that many people जो FDO में वहाँ पे पैसे
It's
रखते
not
थे.
about ROI only. बहुत सारे रीजंस है, बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स मिल रहे हैं उनको यहाँ पे, जिसमें सबसे मेन रीज़न कह सकते हैं कि लोग आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं गोल्डन वीज़ा की वजह से.
हाँ
फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकंड हम बात करते हैं तो टैक्सेस.
हाँ
इंडिया में हम बात करें तो बैक इन इंडिया आपका प्रॉपर्टी आप बाई कर रहे हैं तब भी उस टाइम पे भी आपने टैक्स पे करना है. आफ्टर देन आप जब भी सेल कर रहे हैं तो प्रॉपर्टी गेन टैक्स भी आपने पे करना है. प्लस आपके रिटर्न में भी जो आपको मिल रहा है उसमें भी आपका एक पर्टिकुलर रिटर्न आ रहा है तो उसके ऊपर भी आपको टैक्स पे करना है.
हाँ.
तो एवरीवेयर दे नीड टू पे टैक्सेस. सो इस वजह से भी उनको लगता है कि हाँ यहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट करें वो बेटर रहेगा.
Yeah. They feel safe and plus क्या है कि पैसा टूटता नहीं है टैक्स दे दे के.
Dubai is anyways heaven for everyone,
Heaven
who
for
is
that.
paying taxes to their own countries.
Correct.
So most of the people we met there, earlier we met in Chandigarh also, many people. And golden visa, like she said, is one of the thing which they really want to get into. And for that matter, because the rule has also changed for golden visa. Now it's very easy to get a golden visa in Dubai. Earlier it was not.
Like how has it
So
changed?
I remember when it was launched, golden visa in Dubai, then you had to spend 10 million or
हाँ.
buy a property worth
Yes.
10 million to get a 10 years golden visa.
Yeah.
And that entire 10 million was actual 10 million,
Okay.
not
10 million
in
paid or
parts.
10
Yes.
million पेड पूरा
fully
प्रॉपर्टी
fully paid
मैक्स?
10 million, invested in Dubai,
अच्छा.
and then now it is only 2 million,
हम्म.
and that too you can get a golden visa in off plan also,
या तो
right?
अगर 2 मिलियन मतलब अगर 2 मिलियन का वो है लाइन है टू इन्वेस्ट, सो इफ द पेमेंट इज नॉट मेड कंप्लीटली, बिकॉज ऑफ प्लान में तो पेमेंट्स
You
इसमें
make
होता है ना.
20% of payment,
ओके.
pay your land department charges,
ठीक है.
get your SPS signed,
या.
and then you get your Okud, and you can apply for golden visa.
उकूद इज द इनिशियल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट
Initial
ऑफ सेल.
contract of sale, yes.
ओके, तो उस वैल्यूएशन पे मिल जाती है, फुली पेड नहीं होना चाहिए, इट्स
It's
ओके.
probably should be
प्रीवियसली इट
worth
वाज
more
लाइक
than 2
दिस
million.
ओके.
कि लाइक जो भी प्रॉपर्टी आप परचेज कर रहे हो आपका 100% अमाउंट पेड होना चाहिए था. अभी
हम्म.
रिसेंटली ये लास्ट
Yeah,
ईयर आई
it's been
थिंक,
one and
राइट?
a half
हाँ,
years, yes.
ओके.
तब से ये रूल आ गया है कि हाँ आप इनिशियल पेमेंट करें, डाउन
हम्म.
पेमेंट एंड डीएलडी.
So this is even very helpful for families that are living here.
It is.
It is so helpful for people who are living on rent. लाख लाख धर्म रेंट दे रहे हैं, इससे अच्छा डाउन पेमेंट दे दे.
Yeah, that's the reason I also took golden visa.
या. ओके. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, मुझे पता नहीं था. लेकिन इट्स गुड. लेकिन हाँ, इट इज सेंसिबल ना. मतलब क्या है रेंट देने का. अभी रेंट है भी बहुत हाई, एंड मैं देख रहा हूँ कि अगर 2-3 बेड्स है 2-2.5 मिलियन में मिल जाती है प्रॉपर्टी. थोड़ा दूर होता है अगर मैं बर्दुबई में हूँ, लेकिन देन उधर भी तो एक प्रॉपर स्टैब्लिश्ड कम्युनिटी है. जैसे दुबई साउथ में भी जो प्रॉपर्टी सब पानी की तरह बिक रही है प्रॉपर्टी, मैं देखता हूँ रिपोर्ट्स में, लेकिन उधर एक प्रॉपर कम्युनिटी बना रहे हैं वो लोग. सो इट्स
Right.
इट्स गुड टू सी. इट मेक्स मी वंडर कि लोग रेंट पे रहे क्यों पड़े. इट इज बेटर कि वो लोग कुछ ले ले, बिकॉज एज यू सेड कि एमिरेट्स रोड पे वो एक लाइन पूरी बिक गई है, मतलब सोल्ड आउट है, एंड सामने वाला एरिया इज येट टू बी सोल्ड आउट, एंड वो भी हाई प्राइस पे जाएगा. फिर और हाई होगा एज इन व्हेन 2030 कम्स क्लोजर. 5 साल है सिर्फ. बट this makes me question about the bubble part that we were just talking about a few minutes ago. You were stating a few factors. कुछ और है, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो व्हाई पीपल नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि बबल एक्चुअली है नहीं, क्योंकि इतने लोग आ रहे हैं, पीपल आर बाउंड टू मूव टू दुबई. आज मैंने एक मीडिया चैनल पे देखा ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, दुबई हैज बिन नॉट अवॉर्डेड, आई वुड से इट इज द क्लीनेस्ट सिटी इन द वर्ल्ड.
It
नंबर 1
is.
पे, नंबर 1 पे दुबई.
2020, since 5 years.
Since 5 years, wow. So that also, I'm sure, attracts a lot of people. भले यूरोप हो, अमेरिकन कंट्रीज हो, लेकिन बहुत डर्ट होता है वहाँ पे. आई मीन it is not even healthy to walk sometimes on those roads. Weather wise also it is not healthy. So what were those factors, if you can give me a few more insights, Sam, about the bubble that people think is there and it is going to burst someday? I don't know if there is a perspective, because I know a lot of people who still live on rent.
Hmm.
My family lives on rent. बर्दुबई में हम लोग रहते हैं. बर्दुबई में, करामा में, उस पूरे रेडियस में, up till up till I would say till Zabil, up till करामा, बहुत लोग अभी भी रेंट पे रह रहे हैं 20-25 सालों से. उनके काम धंधे है देरा में, बर्दुबई में, लेकिन दे आर नॉट विलिंग टू मूव फ्रॉम देयर. और रेंट इंक्रीज होता है, रेंट वो लोग नेगोशिएट करते, बट पता नहीं क्यों दे डोंट वांट टू मूव आउट ऑफ देयर. दे पे इट, बट दे हैव दिस फियर कि ये जो प्रॉपर्टी मार्केट है इतना ऊपर आ रही है, ये प्रॉपर्टी मार्केट नीचे आ जाएगी कभी ना कभी. लेकिन नाउ दैट यू एक्सप्लेन मी दिस data, you give me these numbers about tourists, about people moving in, about properties that are selling out, price per square foot actually और भी बढ़ेगा. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि जो फर्स्ट टाइम होम बायर्स होते हैं, क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग हैं जिन्होंने नहीं खरीदा, 20-25 सालों में भी नहीं खरीदा, उनको हो गए यहाँ पे 20-25 साल, तो वो लोग अभी भी फर्स्ट टाइम होम बायर्स की कैटेगरी में ही आएंगे, फर्स्ट टाइम इन्वेस्टर्स की कैटेगरी में ही आएंगे. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, लाइक डू यू थिंक दैट दे विल इवेंचुअली चेंज देयर
They will.
ओपिनियन?
And in fact, I'll tell you, there are many. Now we have started, getting clients from these areas also, by the way.
ओके.
Especially Bardubai, Meena Bazar,
हाँ.
Dera.
डेरा.
People here, they are staying in Dubai for, let's say, 40 years also, 30 years, 40
करेक्ट.
years, 25 years, right? They have established their businesses. They're
ट्रू.
making good amount of money. But उनको अभी भी लगता है कि यार मतलब वो न्यू दुबई, anything this side of Dubai frame is
हाँ.
new Dubai for them.
यस.
That's old Dubai.
Yes.
तो बोलते हैं कि यार जब प्रॉपर्टी 1.5 मिलियन की थी तब उन्होंने नहीं खरीदी, बिकॉज दैट टाइम दे वर थिंकिंग दैट 1.5 मिलियन इज ऑल्सो वेरी एक्सपेंसिव.
Yeah.
Today they are getting the same property in 3 million.
Hmm.
Now also they think it's expensive. And once it will become 6 million, then they will buy. And this is what is going to happen. So one of our client recently bought a property through us in the Mac Island, and he's from Meena Bazaar, right?
Okay, he has his
Very
business there.
old businessman, and multiple businesses there, very well established. He was also very skeptical about कि यार पता नहीं आगे क्या होगा, लूं ना लूं. So they are scared, little bit scared.
Yeah.
The one reason could be that because they have stayed here for a long period of time,
Right.
and it is obviously the hard work which they have done
Yeah.
to make money here, and they have seen Dubai growing, but they still feel that now if they want to buy apartment in downtown,
Yeah.
it's expensive for them. They can't,
Correct.
even if they're businessman, because businessman they have all their money in rotations usually, right? Especially like in market what we are talking about.
Yeah.
So it's very difficult for them to take a decision on
उसका
buying a.
रीजन भी है, उन्होंने मार्केट 2007 की भी देखी है, 2017 की भी
Yes.
देखी है,
हाँ.
और कोविड के टाइम पे भी उन्होंने देखा है. तो इसी वजह से वो लोग थोड़ा सा वो फियरिंग सिचुएशन में है कि वो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं.
सो बेसिकली अब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मुझे नहीं पता आपको 2007 2008 याद है कि नहीं है,
हाँ.
मतलब क्या हुआ था, बट दैट
2020
टाइम इट
का
वाज
एक क्लियर
नो
पर्सपेक्टिव है.
दैट टाइम वाज नॉट ओनली फॉर दुबई,
हाँ.
इट वाज वर्ल्ड वाइड,
ग्लोबल रिसेशन था.
Yes,
right?
it
It
was
was
global
global
और वो
recession.
यहाँ से स्टार्ट भी नहीं
crisis.
हुआ था. It started from the US.
Yes, it
Yes.
started
हाँ.
from US.
वही.
So, anyways, that's a long story.
Yes.
But at the end of the day, that time in 2008, Dubai was not so developed,
Right.
right? Burj Khalifa was delivered in 2009,
मेट्रो भी.
right? So, if the market is not too old, so we cannot compare it with previous times.
Right.
We need to look at times ahead. We need to see what plans are there for future,
Yes.
right? And now because they couldn't buy earlier in downtown, because that time nobody told them कि अभी ले लो and it will be really good investment. So now let's say downtown, if you want to buy a 2 bedroom apartment today in a good building,
Yeah.
what do you think will be the cost?
In a good decent tower, I think 3.5 million तक. पता नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लग
Do you know
रहा है.
about Oprah Residence?
It's by MR.
Yeah.
Everything is by MR,
Downtown
Yeah,
is
downtown
all
is
about Emma.
pretty-
except few buildings. Yeah.
Sorry for my ignorance. लेकिन I know Oprah, but I don't know the price.
Okay, I'll tell you. See,
Yeah.
2 bedroom, 3 bedroom in a good building, let's say 2 bedroom, you may get for 4, 5, 6, and goes up to 10 also,
2 bedroom का घर.
10 million also, right? Now, the question is that you couldn't buy that time despite the price that time. For example, I remember very clearly, if you know about Boulevard Point,
Yes.
2 bedroom, which is exactly, you have Burj
Facing
Khalifa
Burj
facing
Khalifa.
apartments.
Yes.
2 bedroom, there were few series
Yeah.
which were available that time for 2.2, 2.3.
Hmm.
2 bedroom,
हाँ.
right? 3 bedroom was available for 3 million, 2.9 say
2.9.
3.1 tak.
हाँ.
This was the price.
Hmm.
Today, in that building, 3 bedroom is nothing less than 6.5, 7 million.
Wow.
Right?
और ये कितने साल पुरानी बात है ये?
कोविड के
years.
टाइम की बात है.
तो 4 years में प्रॉपर्टी
Double हो गया.
3.1 से 6.5 पे आ गई, और इन 4 सालों में रेंटल इंक्रीज भी हुआ. तो जो इन्वेस्टर है उसको वो आरओआई भी बढ़ता हुआ मिला और एप्रिसिएशन भी मिल गया.
Obviously. So now their mindset is कि ठीक है यार चलो उस टाइम हमने नहीं लिया, right? So now when we told them, कि today also if you don't buy, considering कि नहीं, now we are getting on Emirates Road, it's very far.
हाँ.
I said nothing is far in Dubai.
Hmm.
In Dubai, one side is water.
Yeah.
Where would you expand?
On land.
Simple. So everything up till Emirates Road is already occupied.
Yeah.
Majority of places.
Yes.
Nobody could imagine that there'll be Majid Al Futtaim coming into real estate market, having a huge community, selling mansions also
Tilal Al-Gaf.
for millions.
Hmm.
Tilal Al Gaf, right?
Yeah.
And then the Mac Hills and the Mac Lagoons. Now you're exactly touching Emirates Road. This entire Hessa Street has been built,
Yes.
right? And then now, if you feel that Emirates Road, opposite side towards Town Square, is still far, then you're mistaken, because I'm telling you, future of Dubai, entire Alin Road will also be Dubai tomorrow.
इवन
Wow.
आप आरटीए के जो प्लान्स देखेंगे
So
हाँ
2 years के, तो उसमें पूरा अलेन रोड का उन्होंने अपडेट दिया हुआ है कि विद इन 2 years अलेन रोड पे कितने एंट्री, कितने एग्जिट, क्या मेट्रो स्टेशन आने वाला है, सब कुछ उसके अंदर मेंशन्ड है.
So if you look at MR Valley, that's already on Alin Road, right?
yes
MR Valley community.
yes
But that will not be only community there. Now you will see
उसके
in
बैक
next 5 years
साइड
there will
भी
be
हम
so many
देखते हैं.
community launches on that road
अच्छा
because there's no other space right now.
द मैक
Right.
हिल्स 2 का भी एग्जिट अलेन रोड पे पड़ता है. द
हाँ
मैक आइलैंड जो लॉन्च हुआ उसका भी एग्जिट वहाँ अलेन रोड पे आ रहा है.
wow
शोभा ने नया एलवुड करके प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च किया है, वो भी अलेन पे है.
Just
तो
before MR Valley.
तो these are big communities, तो ये तो
Huge.
already काफी fill up हो रहा है.
No,
बिल्कुल.
so I'll tell you something now. Like for example, we feel that yeah, there are so many communities getting launched every day. Everything is getting sold in 2 hours.
हाँ
Then
दमक
definitely the prices will come down.
दमक आइलैंड का मैंने देखा यार,
Let's talk numbers.
क्या
No,
सेल आउट हुआ है वो
Nikhil, let's
प्रोजेक्ट.
talk numbers. The Mac
Yes.
Island 3100 units in 10 hours, 10 billion sold out.
यही मैं कह रहा
Correct?
था.
In 10
yes
hours.
yes
सेम
If
गोज
you,
विद एमआर वैली.
yeah, it was also sold out immediately.
अच्छा
So let's talk about the total number of houses in these communities.
okay
We feel that, there's so many community launches are happening, definitely price will come down. But no one talks about the number of units actually there.
हाँ
Even if you calculate the number of units, it will not meet the demand of actual real estate housing requirement of next 5-10 years of Dubai.
correct.
The Mac Island is a huge community, 30 million square feet,
Hmm.
6,000 townhouses and villas. 6,000 only.
It can house 6,000 families
Maximum,
maximum.
Maximum.
हाँ
right?
हाँ
So only 6,000 families. Quarter 1 2024, uh, 26,000 residencies were issued.
okay
Only Quarter 1, 3 months of 2024 I'm talking about.
launched. They were
No, we are talking about government
new
new residents,
residences were issued of 26,000 people.
new visas.
New visas were given.
okay okay okay
Residence visas.
okay okay.
Against
Yes.
that, the supply of the home was 6,000.
हाँ तो कहाँ से ये होगा.
So that's what I'm saying. So just looking at Instagram, Facebook, that launch happening. But let's talk about numbers then.
right
Tomorrow, for example, their nuclear family is staying in Dubai. Couple comes in, they first try Dubai, then they tend to settle in Dubai, then they bring their family.
right
If they're staying in one bedroom apartment, would they accommodate in same one bedroom apartment with the entire family?
Not at
No, they
all.
will need a bigger space.
of course.
If they need bigger space, where they will go? All the villa townhouse communities are towards Mohammed bin Zayed Road, towards your Emirates Road,
right
Alain
right?
Road.
Alain Road.
Allen Road. So you will shift there. Now, if you also want to shift there, the rentals will automatically go up because demand is high.
Right. That's the logic that people don't understand.
So you talk any community, the number of units are not too high. It's not at all.
Yeah.
इवन हम कितनी भी बड़ी कम्युनिटी की भी बात करते हैं तो 5-6 हजार यूनिट,
हाँ
उससे ज्यादा यूनिट किसी भी कम्युनिटी में नहीं है.
सही बात है.
चाहे हैंडेड ओवर हो, चाहे अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन हो, कोई भी कम्युनिटी हो.
Right. And
So there are bigger families who needs bigger houses.
yeah.
Only one bedroom, two bedroom apartments won't be sufficient for bigger families at all.
Yeah. And I've seen that people are more inclined to buy townhouses or villas because there is a word in the market sometimes that square feet के हिसाब से service charges are high.
नो नो, इट्स
In
नॉट लाइक दैट. पोस्ट कोविड लोगों ने प्रेफर करना शुरू किया टाउन हाउसेस और विलास, बिकॉज जो लॉकडाउन हो गया और वो अपार्टमेंट्स में लॉक रहे बहुत टाइम तक,
right.
तो वो अपना विला है या अपना टाउन हाउस है तो वो अपने ही बैकयार्ड में बाहर जाके
थोड़ा मूवमेंट मिल सकता है.
मूवमेंट उनको मिल सकता है. वो
Okay.
बैठ सकते हैं, अपने बच्चों के साथ खेल सकते हैं एटलीस्ट.
Right.
इस वजह से वो प्रेफर करना उन्होंने स्टार्ट कर दिया.
Hmm. Because it is also one thing, just as you guys said now, कि उनको दूर पड़ता है, but now that they are open to it is a good thing. But what's not a good thing is that they don't understand the data, the numbers that are happening.
Tell me something. It's not only about people are inclined to, I mean, why people buy in communities? Why these days people are buying so much in communities? If you stay in apartment,
Right.
right? It's a tower.
Huh.
Even if it's two tower, twin tower, three towers, four towers, it can never be a community.
Correct.
They're still towers.
Yes.
You will have swimming pool, you will have gym, but you cannot have waterfalls. You
Yes.
cannot do boating in your towers,
True.
right?
Yeah.
So the kind of communities now getting launched in Dubai, let's say the Mac Island, the Mac Lagoon, and MR's communities also, all the communities I'm talking about. Community living is a different lifestyle.
Yeah.
Apartment living is a different lifestyle.
Yeah.
So if you're staying with family, trust me, even if it's far, the moment you enter your house in the evening, you enter your community, you would love to spend time with your family there
Yeah.
because you have everything inside community. You
Huh.
have mall inside community. You don't need to go out for shop.
Correct.
You have all the amenities. You
Hmm.
have gyms, obviously. You have parks. You have jogging tracks. And these days, I mean, if you look at the Mac Island itself, now they're making, a river,
Yeah.
beach. So beach inside the community. So don't need to go to beach actually.
Yeah. Yeah.
Your community itself has beach,
Yeah.
and not one, multiple beaches,
Wow. So
approximately six,
is it
let's
all
say,
over the community?
all over the community.
Okay.
Then you can do boating,
Yeah.
kayaking. You can do there.
ये तो holiday हो गई.
So you will feel like you're staying in a dream place
Yeah.
because everything is there.
Right.
You can meditate. You have separate parks for meditations.
Hmm.
No, who would not like to stay in such communities?
Correct.
There are farms. You can do farming as well.
Yeah, you
Wow.
can do farming.
Yeah.
So the concept of community is a community living, and it's a different lifestyle altogether.
Right.
Anyone with a nuclear family with two, three, or let's say four member in a family
Hmm.
can definitely manage in an apartment.
Right.
But now the question is, bigger family has two options here.
Hmm.
Either you go for a bigger apartment, let's say 4 bedroom, 5 bedroom,
Yeah.
which is eventually a penthouse,
Huh.
because you don't get
Hmm.
4 bedroom apartment here. You get up till 3 bedroom.
Hmm.
4, 5, 6, then penthouses are there. And the prices
Penthouses or
of
duplex.
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 And the prices of duplex and penthouses are way higher than a villa which you can buy on Emirates Road.
Yeah. True. Especially if the areas are such.
No,
Hmm.
it's not. So all the penthouses you cannot buy anywhere near to Emirates
Even
Road, Mohammed bin Zayed Road, Al Khail, nowhere.
even if you want to buy a villa in Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum City, or if you want to buy an penthouse in downtown or City Walk,
Same
it's
price.
It's the same price.
equivalent.
तो विला ही खरीद ले आदमी. Better
सो
है.
पेंटहाउस भी आप लोगे 25, 30, 40 मिलियन का,
हाँ.
उतने में
So
मेंशन आ
better
जाता है.
better you'll buy 6 bedroom mansion.
ये जो आपने बताया कम्युनिटी दिस इज डिस्ट्रिक्ट 1.
Yes, District
हाँ.
1
it
बेटा,
is.
मैदान में ना.
मैदान.
Hmm.
हाँ उधर तो प्राइस हाई है. लाइक हाई नहीं है वो मार्केट प्राइस है. वो घर भी तो 6-6 बेडरूम के है.
So, hmm.
तो
Correct.
ये चीज लोगों को पता होनी चाहिए कि मतलब कॉमन नहीं है ये नॉलेज कि पेंट हाउसेस एंड विला का प्राइस है. यू माइट एज वेल बाय अ विला यार.
You get cheap also, no?
यस.
You go to Emirates Road, you buy a 5 bedroom villa for 7, 8 million in Villanova. 5 bedroom villa.
या
It's very spacious, huge.
या आप लोग मुझे कुछ बता सकते हो अबाउट न्यू होम बायर्स स्पेसिफिकली अबाउट एनी एरियाज ऐसे इस इफ वी स्पीक तो टाउन हाउसेज एंड विलास साउंड बेटर देन अपार्टमेंट्स बट पता है मुझे कि अपार्टमेंट्स आर ऑल्सो सेलिंग आउट पानी के जैसे. मेहनत लगती है
We,
बहुत.
we stay ourselves in apartment.
ओह वाह ओके. तो आप लोग बता रहे थे that you were telling me about the concept of how penthouses and villas are almost of the similar price. अभी बहुत लोग को ये बात मतलब होगी कुछ लोगों को कुछ सेट ऑफ ऑडियंस को ये बात पता होगी. सबको ये बात पता नहीं है. लोग हमेशा सोचते हैं कि विला सबसे हाईएस्ट होता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ वैल्यू. लेकिन दिस इज अ न्यू इनसाइट. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट कैन यू गाइस गिव मी सम इनसाइट्स फॉर फर्स्ट टाइम होम बायर्स. इज देयर एनी पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी या एरिया या पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी दे शुड बी इन्वेस्टिंग इन. हर एक होम बायर का end goal is different. Some want ROI, some want capital appreciation, some actually want to live there, end users होते हैं. So any insight, anything that you feel, not just for people who have lived in Dubai from 30, 40 years, but people who are living abroad as well, who are first time investors in Dubai. Anything that you would like to put forward for them?
That's what I was about to ask you. That let me first qualify.
Okay.
So whenever we talk about investment in Dubai,
Yeah.
so हम हमेशा सबसे पहले आपको क्लाइंट को क्वालिफाई तो करना पड़ेगा ना, आपको क्या चाहिए,
Right.
आप चाहते क्या हो,
Hmm.
you know, the villa and townhouse or the apartment comes later. First is how much investment you want to make.
Hmm.
What is your goal? Are you looking for rental returns, or you're looking for capital appreciation,
Okay.
or you're looking to buy a property as an end user? You want to stay into it.
Hmm.
Do you have all cash ready, or you gonna take a finance? So once I know all these things, then I can
Yeah.
suggest something.
Yeah. These
If you
are.
ask generic,
Huh.
कि ठीक है मेरा 2 मिलियन का बजट है और मुझे, सो एवरी टाइप ऑफ पीपल आर देयर, राइट?
Yeah.
फर्स्ट टाइम होम बायर्स फॉर अस इज समवन हु हैज नेवर लिव्ड इन दुबई, जिसने दुबई नहीं देखा, उसको नहीं पता है, एंड रिसेंटली मूव टू दुबई,
Right.
एंड दोज पीपल आर ऑलवेज क्लूलेस.
Hmm.
Market is big, there's more than
Yeah.
60,000 real estate agents in Dubai,
Yeah.
3,000 एजेंसीज.
Huh.
तो आप सबसे पहले आपको कोई बताएगा प्रॉपर्टी फाइंडर में सर्च कर लो, बायूथ में सर्च कर लो, डुबिजेल में सर्च,
Correct.
एंड देन यू डिसाइड योर बजट. लेट्स से आपने 1 मिलियन का बजट डिसाइड कर लिया.
Huh.
अब आपका अगर प्योर प्योर ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि मुझे रेंट पे रहना है बट मुझे रिटर्न चाहिए,
Huh.
ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन विच एजेंट यू आर टॉकिंग टू.
Agent.
एजेंट,
Yes.
Okay.
आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट आपके एजेंट के ऊपर डिपेंड करती है, आपके ऊपर नहीं करती है.
Correct.
You have to meet the right person to guide you what exactly you should do with your money while investing in real estate of Dubai.
Hmm.
So that doesn't mean that you can, you cannot invest anywhere. I mean, whatever place you like,
Yeah.
you can invest anywhere.
Yeah.
But every area in Dubai has their own perspective,
Right.
right? So if you want a capital appreciation, everyone knows anything you buy near airport today.
Hmm.
It's a generic statement I'm giving. Anything you buy near airport today, you will get very good capital appreciation,
Okay.
undoubtedly.
Hmm.
Right? It all depends on the area. So what I was telling is, let's say you buy any apartment or any villa or any townhouse near airport today, which is a generic statement that it will appreciate,
Right.
right? Because everyone knows there is a world's largest airport is getting built,
Correct.
right? And it it'll become center,
Hmm.
right? And then Expo City is also there,
Yeah.
right? So if Expo City is there, there's so many things happening in Expo City today as well.
Hmm.
And then you have airport. So all the vicinity, MR South, Dubai South, or any other location near to that place will give you a very good capital appreciation, because the prices today are also not very high. Let's say one bedroom apartment you want to buy in Dubai South, ready apartment.
Right.
You can get it between 800 to 900,000,
One bedroom.
one bedroom,
Okay.
right? Studio you can get between 500 to 550.
Okay. So good
Right?
price.
And MR South recently launched one bedroom from 1.1, 1.2 million,
Okay.
right? These prices will go up
Yes.
as compared to the current center of city, which is Business Bay, let's say, or downtown.
Hmm.
Let's talk about Business Bay. Downtown, I will not talk about because it's a center,
Yeah.
right? It's lifestyle community. Downtown, I do not consider this as a area. It's a lifestyle community actually,
Okay.
because there is an iconic tower. So you want Burj Khalifa facing, then
Correct.
you can't have a budget of 1 million,
Yeah. That's true. Yes.
right?
Agreed.
So Business Bay, if you want to buy one bedroom apartment with a good branded residency, you will not get anything below 1.7, 1.8, 2 million, 2.1 million.
Okay.
Not possible.
For a one bed.
Yeah, for a one bed.
Okay.
Not possible at all. So it all depends on your personal choices and the requirement.
Right.
All areas are good.
Hmm.
The only question here is whether you want to stay in existing center of Dubai, or you are a futuristic person who believes in future of Dubai.
एंड प्लस जैसे आप लोगों ने कहा कि इट इज़ योर एजेंट जो आपका पैसा आपको बताएगा कहाँ लगाना
वो
चाहिए.
सबसे
So,
इम्पोर्टेंट है
वो
यार.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है.
अगर एजेंट ही आपको ऐसा मिला
हाँ.
जिसने आपको प्रॉपर्टी इसलिए दे दी है
हाँ.
कि उसको 8% कमीशन मिल रहा था,
हाँ.
तो वो आपके बारे में नहीं सोचेगा ना फिर.
ये चीज़ है ना, आप दोनों ने कही थी इन एपिसोड 1 कि आप लोग बिजनेस करते हो नॉट फॉर योर सेल्व्स बट टू गेट दैट कैपिटल अप्रिसिएशन फॉर योर क्लाइंट्स. एंड आप लोगों ने कहा था कि हम लोग अपना पहले नहीं सोचते। इस आई थिंक दैट इज ऑल्सो वन रीजन व्हाई यू हैव दिस सक्सेस, बिकॉज आप लोगों ने लोगों का पैसा लगवा के उनको पैसा कमा के दिया है। एंड आई एम श्योर दे कीप कमिंग बैक टू यू। आप मुझे बता रहे थे कि जब आप शेख जायद रूट पे जाते थे, भले संडे हो मंडे हो कुछ भी हो, तो वो क्लाइंट्स बाद में आए और उन्होंने आपसे प्रॉपर्टीज खरीदी थी। तो उनका पैसा आपने सही जगह ज़रूर लगवाया, वो सर्विस आपने उनको दी। इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट कि हाँ वन टाइम रेंट हो गया छोड़ दिया। सो दिस इज़ हम श्योर कि लोग ऐसे करते हैं लोग, I'm sure, बट I'm sure कि हर एक टाइप का एजेंट ऐसे नहीं कर रहा है। सो दिस
No,
इज
it's not about agent's mistake or agent is doing something wrong. It's not about that.
knowledge.
It's about knowledge. Yes, that's what I
Yes,
was about to say.
yes,
So knowledge is something if you don't have,
yeah,
you will sell what you are being asked to sell.
right,
If you are employed somewhere, you have to abide by your employer.
right,
तो आपका एम्प्लॉयर आपको बोल रहा है कि यार डेन्यू सेल करना है फॉर एग्जांपल, या मुझे बिनगाती सेल करना है, या मुझे दे हैव देयर ओन सेट टारगेट्स एम्प्लॉयर्स के. सो एन एम्प्लॉय कैन नॉट से नहीं नहीं मैं नहीं
Like
बेचूंगा.
any developer. So there are multiple agencies, they only focus in MR. There are multiple agencies, they are focusing in the Mac.
right.
Same goes with Danube or Bengati or Shobha.
Okay. So then they only focus and they pitch that to their
Yes.
customers.
And
Okay.
apart from that, it's very important to understand that agents, whosoever joins real estate market as new, or they're working for old time, the only thing which make them a good advisor is their own knowledge, nothing
Right.
else. And let's say there's a new home buyer who comes to Dubai, right?
Yeah.
Looking at all the perspective जो हम लोग सुनते हैं, दुबई सेफ है, दुबई क्लीन है, everything, everyone wants to come here.
Yeah.
Now if you want to buy a property, it all depends who is your first agent,
Yeah.
right?
Advisory किससे मिल रही है?
And for us, real estate is not about selling.
Yeah.
It's not about selling. You know our company policy,
Yeah.
right? Real estate is all about advising, right?
Yeah. And you said that people buy from those who they trust.
Yeah.
And
Right.
and you can only advise right when you yourself have that knowledge. Like you said कि हमने investors को बोला यहाँ पे invest करो and they made money because of us. No, they made money because of market, because of Dubai government,
Yeah.
right? Because of their policies.
Yeah.
And we suggested because we believed in them.
No, you're being down to earth. Okay.
No, I'm
They
serious.
also earned because of you, because you suggested that.
So it is, that's what I'm saying. So it is maybe our luck
Yeah.
or their luck that we met them, right?
Yeah.
So
And we built
That connection.
that connection
Connection.
and trust.
Right. That trust.
so if you look at our tagline of the company, we help you build your wealth.
Yes. Yes.
So there is a way to build wealth,
Yeah.
right? We are not here to make commissions.
Right.
Success automatically comes if you're working hard, if you have knowledge, everything happens.
Right.
The only thing any agent in the market has to focus is upgrade themselves.
True. It's
अच्छा, एक चीज मैं आपको बताता हूँ, which is I think you must be aware about it, and Bhumi also knows it. There are 2-3 segment of real estate market in residential also. Let's say there is a segment of resale, then there is a segment of off plan,
yeah.
which are new projects. Then there is a segment of the rentals,
Yeah.
and then within that there are so many other segments. Rent, renting, labor camps, renting. I'm only talking about residential right now.
Okay.
So I've seen so many agents who have worked in off plan,
Huh.
no clue about resale, no clue about resale at all. मतलब उनको पता ही नहीं है कि अगर रीसेल डील करने पड़े तो लॉ के हिसाब से, रेरा के हिसाब से, लैंड डिपार्टमेंट के हिसाब से क्या डॉक्यूमेंटेशन चाहिए, वो डील कैसे क्लोज होती है, उसको ट्रांसफर कैसे कराते हैं और ट्रांसफर कहाँ कराते हैं, उनको वो भी नहीं पता.
तो फिर जो
कौन कौन से फॉर्म साइन करने
वो
हैं
पता
वो
ही
भी
नहीं है.
नहीं पता है उनको.
तो फिर जो क्लाइंट होगा वो कैसे करेगा
वो
ये
उनके
सब?
साथ काम ही नहीं करेगा ना फिर.
हाँ. Okay.
फिर वो क्या करेगा, वो एजेंट विल ओनली पिच ऑफ प्लान.
तो ये तो रिक्वायरमेंट के अगेंस्ट जाने वाली बात हो गई.
हाँ.
That's what I told you.
हाँ.
It's all about knowledge.
Yeah.
If I am doing resale and I don't do off plan, doesn't mean I don't know off plan. If I
Right.
am selling off plan, doesn't mean I don't know resale.
Yeah.
So एंड इफ आई एम सपोज टू डू, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे इन्वेस्टर ने एक प्रॉपर्टी ले ली है मुझसे, right?
हाँ
लिया ऑफ प्लान में था, अब वो हैंड ओवर हो गया, एंड नाउ ही सेज आई वांट टू सेल, व्हाट विल इट बिकम? नाउ इट विल बी अ रीसेल डील.
करेक्ट.
आई एज एन ऑफ प्लान एजेंट, अगर मुझे पता ही नहीं है रीसेल डील कैसे करनी है, तो फिर तो मैं एक प्रॉपर्टी आपको ऑफ प्लान में बेच के गायब हो जाऊंगा. मैं बोलूंगा आई डोंट वांट दैट हेडेक, यू नो, मैं आई डोंट वांट टू नो अबाउट प्रोसेस, आई डोंट वांट टू लर्न अबाउट डॉक्यूमेंटेशन.
फिर तो क्लाइंट हाथ से निकल जाएगा एजेंट क्या.
That's where the you know moral is that every agent, they should upgrade knowledge. When I say upgrade knowledge, not only about markets, also about RERA, land department, processes of every transaction which is happening.
राइट. करेक्ट. बिकॉज कोई भी इन्वेस्टर को कभी कुछ भी रिक्वायरमेंट हो सकती है.
Correct.
ही वांट्स टू बाय एन अपार्टमेंट, ही वांट्स टू बाय अ वेयरहाउस 10
And
दिन बाद.
that's where knowledge comes into picture.
राइट.
आपके इन्वेस्टर्स आपको फोन करेंगे, right? How they will stay in touch with you when you will be able to answer all their queries.
राइट. दैट्स व्हेन दे विल सेव योर नंबर.
Not only about the property which you have sold,
या.
but about other properties also. They will also ask you questions about their some issue with the tenant of their existing property. They may ask you question about any law of RERA.
Even they may ask you about eviction
Yeah.
eviction notice.
यस.
So there's so many things.
ट्रू.
But अगर आपको knowledge नहीं है, how will you answer?
या.
Then your investor will say, अरे नहीं यार, तू तो सिर्फ मेरे को एक प्रॉपर्टी बेचने के लिए था, कोई बात नहीं, I'll contact someone else.
हाँ. एंड समवन एल्स में तो 60,000 लोग
फिर बहुत
बैठे
बैठे,
ऑफ कोर्स.
right? So
लेकिन
this is
लेकिन
what
हाँ, आई थिंक कि मेंटोरशिप भी एक चीज है.
बहुत important है.
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. दे आर ईदर नॉट गेटिंग द राइट मेंटोरशिप.
So
सजेशंस.
एक कहावत है ना, you should be at right place and right time, right? And then you will be able to do something.
राइट.
But वो कभी कभी क्लिक होता है.
लेकिन जैसे आपने पूरा सिनेरियो बताया, अगर अपॉर्चुनिटी सामने से आ रही है और अगर मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि मैं बोलूँ क्या, तो मेरे से बात क्यों करेगा इन्वेस्टर. वो तो बोलेगा ठीक है, मैंने आपसे खरीदा, ठीक है, लेकिन मैं किसी और से पूछ लेता हूँ.
हाँ,
वो किसी
होता
और
है
से
ऐसा,
पूछने,
एजेंट्स के साथ होता है.
ये एक बहुत बड़ा रेड फ्लैग है. एजेंट्स को वो मेंटोरशिप मिलना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Okay, for new home buyers, I'll give you suggestion.
या.
If any one of your viewers wants to buy something,
या.
uh, just generic statement I'm passing on.
या.
Anything you buy today on Emirates Road,
हम्म.
you will get amazing capital appreciation and rental returns.
I was about to say that only.
Okay.
That's standard.
या.
Don't think twice.
That is because of the airport coming over
No,
there.
it's not about the airport.
Not only about the airport.
What could be the other reasons?
See, the only reason is not airport. एयरपोर्ट के अलावा आज जो दुबई का सेंटर है, राइट, दैट्स डिफरेंट.
Right.
अगर आपको कोई भी पूछेगा यार व्हाट इज द सेंटर ऑफ दुबई, आपका आंसर क्या होगा? आप बोलोगे डाउनटाउन.
हाँ, मेरे लिए तो डाउनटाउन ही
Downtown
होगा.
सबके लिए वही है.
हाँ.
अब डाउनटाउन से आप टुवर्ड्स डेरा की तरफ जाओ या टुवर्ड्स बरदुबई की तरफ जाओ, वहां से आप टुवर्ड्स अलिन रोड पकड़ लो.
हम्म.
अलिन रोड से अगर मैं आपको बोलूं दैट यू हैव टू रीच एमआर वैली, हाउ मच टाइम विल यू टेक? 25 मिनट्स मैक्सिमम,
हाँ.
राइट?
हाँ.
It's speed of 100.
हाँ. Correct.
And then from there, before even going to Outlet Mall, if you take right towards Abu Dhabi, then another 25 to 30 minutes you'll reach New Airport.
Yes.
Correct?
Right.
Maximum.
हाँ, maximum.
उससे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा.
हम्म.
Now from, let's again come back to downtown. Now from there, go to existing airport during the day.
Existing airport जो देरा में है.
नहीं, जो एक्चुअल एयरपोर्ट है,
हाँ.
इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट,
रशीदिया में जो
हाँ
है.
हाँ हाँ. Terminal 1.
DXB
30
airport.
minutes,
हाँ.
sometime 40 minutes also
हाँ.
from downtown,
हाँ. 30 minutes to minimum.
right? Because of traffic.
Yes.
Now, if you are able to reach the new airport from current downtown in 40 minutes maximum,
Hmm.
an existing airport with a distance of very less distance, that distance is huge, 45-50 kilometers.
Yes.
And this distance is hardly 10-12 kilometers,
हाँ.
taking same time,
Hmm.
right? Your downtown, current downtown, abhi center hai, but because most of the people are moving towards Emirates Road,
Yeah.
so from, let's say, Villanova, when you cross Alin before Outlet Mall,
Right.
going towards Abu Dhabi. From that till airport, this entire area will start becoming the center of Dubai.
Right.
Because from there, you can reach any place in the Dubai,
In half an hour.
both sides,
Yeah.
whether towards Sharjah or towards Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
Half an hour reach everywhere.
Wow. That is bound to become the center then.
Another place is Creek Harbor.
Yeah.
Right? Creek Harbor is another, you can call it another downtown. Once
Yeah.
Creek Tower is there.
They call it the extension of
It is,
downtown.
it is mix
It's
of,
a mixed community of downtown JBR
Okay.
and Marina.
I once saw in the news actually. Instagram news थी पता नहीं असली थी या नकली थी आप ही लोग बता सकते हो आर दे बिल्डिंग एन एक्सटेंशन फ्रॉम डाउनटाउन टू क्रीक हार्बर एक कोई फ्लाईओवर या कोई रोड कि कुछ
maybe. We haven't heard about it.
ओके
But the fact is that the Creek Harbor is actually combination of, like she said,
हम्म
three communities.
या
अगर आपने अभी करंट डाउनटाउन में ओल्ड सुक देखा है,
हाँ
ओल्ड टाउन सॉरी,
हाँ हाँ
ये ओल्ड टाउन, आप अगर वहां जाओगे, उसका बड़ा वर्जन है वहां पे
क्रीक हार्बर में
क्रीक हार्बर में,
ओके
ऑलरेडी कंस्ट्रक्शन में है,
ओके
राइट. एड्रेस ऑलरेडी है वहां पे, विडा रेजिडेंस ऑलरेडी है,
यस
विडा होटल,
यस
यॉट क्लब ऑलरेडी ऑपरेशनल है
राइट
क्रीक हार्बर में.
हाँ
जो मॉल बनने वाला है, दैट इज गोना बी डबल ऑफ करंट दुबई मॉल,
ओके
राइट. दैट इज ऑल्सो अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन. And then there'll be some commercial spaces also.
Even we'll speak about park. तो वहाँ का जो सेंट्रल पार्क है, it will be around 3,000 square meter.
Which is huge.
That's a huge area. Yeah.
And they have 6 entry, 6 exit. Metro station
Three
will be
metro
there.
stations.
हाँ ब्लू लाइन में है ना
Three
क्रीक
metro
हार्बर
stations. Yeah.
एंड क्रीक हार्बर
Metro station anyways, if you look at the current plans, कुछ सालों में पूरा दुबई मेट्रो से कवर हो जाएगा.
हाँ मैंने पर्पल लाइन में देखा था जेवीसी भी है
Even Emirates Road पूरा cover हो रहा है.
हेसा स्ट्रीट पे मेट्रो स्टेशन आ रहा है.
Wow.
मतलब so many metro station will come towards हेसा स्ट्रीट.
या
It will connect you Emirates Road. Emirates Road पे भी मेट्रो स्टेशन आएंगे. Then you have मोहम्मद बिन जायद रोड.
Emirates Road से towards हम बात करें डेरा साइड, पूरा मैरीटाइम सिटी तक पूरा ही मेट्रो कवर हो रहा है.
And then Global
Future
Village
plan.
also.
या
And then this
एक ही
side
line.
up till Palm Jebel Ali and Gantut,
ओके
right? वहां तक मेट्रो जानी है.
So like Gantut is Dubai and
ऑलमोस्ट
Abu
दुबई
Dhabi's
आबू
border.
धाबी का बॉर्डर आ गया.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
वहां तक मेट्रो है.
वो हो गया पूरा आई थिंक
पूरा दुबई भी
They
मेट्रो
will
से
cover.
cover है.
Yeah.
And now see, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन अगर आपका अच्छा है, आप कहीं भी रह लोगे दुबई में.
करेक्ट राइट
आज जो लोग वहां नहीं रह पा रहे हैं
हाँ
फॉर एनी रीजंस, डिस्पाइट करंट सिचुएशन से, बरदुबई, डेरा, शेख जायद रोड, कहीं पे भी रेंटल्स ज्यादा है, वहां पे कम है थोड़े से. यहाँ से तो थोड़े कम ही है.
राइट
बट बिकॉज देयर इज नो डायरेक्ट ट्रांसपोर्टेशन राइट नाउ, तो जिन लोगों के पास कार नहीं है, राइट, तो वो लोग वहां नहीं रह सकते.
राइट
Imagine the day when entire area will be covered by metro, then imagine the crowd there.
एंड देन थिंक अबाउट द प्रॉपर्टी प्राइसेस यार
Everything is going to impact.
इट विल टच द स्काई
Now, recent news, which I don't think so anyone could imagine, which has recently happened. Sheikh Zayed Road, all the buildings have been given permission to convert them into freehold
Yes,
हाँ,
Al Jadaf
Al
as well.
Jadaf.
and Al
as well.
Jadaf also. Now they can sell it.
या
It was not freehold, it was GCC eventually,
ओके
right?
सो इट वाज जीसीसी ओनरशिप ओनली
Yes.
So now
it was
they
not
can
even leasehold.
ओके
Now they can convert it to freehold.
and they can sell it to any
Yeah.
nationality
You can also buy, I can also buy.
yeah
Anyone
Okay.
can buy now.
Wow. That's awesome. So all towers, all villas, behind those towers, everything. वो पूरी जमीन.
The moment this news came into market, people started messaging. I also get 2-3 messages that we are looking for plot for JV on Sheikh Zayed Road. Find us anything.
JV is what?
Joint venture.
Joint
Venture. Okay. Okay. For construction. Wow. Okay. That's awesome.
Yes.
So there's this one thing that as you said कि इतना पूरा शहर मेट्रो से कवर हो रहा है and then हम लोग की बात हुई थी कि people end up investing because of the agent's knowledge. So I wanted to ask you कि ये जो real estate agents इतने सारे हैं market में, I do know that a lot of them are making good money, but a few of them are not doing well. Is there something in specific that you think they are missing out on? Because I'm sure कि जो knowledge आप लोगों ने अभी मेरे साथ share किया, आप लोग के company के agents में वो knowledge है क्योंकि आप लोग उनको mentorship देते हो. लेकिन the agents in the market, they don't talk like that. उनको वो
बिकॉज दे
नॉलेज
डोंट हैव नॉलेज,
वो नॉलेज है नहीं, तो वो मेंटोरशिप
उनको मिल नहीं रही है, वो मेंटोरशिप वो नहीं मिल रही है। आज की डेट में क्या हो रहा है, हर 2 दिन में एक नई रियल एस्टेट एजेंसी ओपन हो रही है, बात करें तो।
राइट।
अब वहाँ पे एजेंट्स हायर कर रहे हैं एंड एजेंट्स को कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं मिल रही है, ना डेवलपर्स ट्रेनिंग मिल रही है, कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा, बस उनको आते ही काम पे लगा दिया।
सो दे आर क्लूलेस।
So they don't know what to do, how to sell, how to
Right.
talk.
Right. We'll talk more about this. It was nice having you both, Bhumi and Sam. Guys, stay tuned and we'll do another episode very soon. Subscribe to our podcast and follow us on Instagram. Thank you and goodbye.